how to buy OO token. So I guess this is a reaction from the Minecraft or PUBG. I don't know, guys. If I am wrong, just write me in the comments below. So as you can see, this token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the latest account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token it's under or available on the screener. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 90%. That's good. That's many investment in safe place. This token it just increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token it's under this one network. Now as you notice, this token it's trending number 7 in the screener right now. So go and open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. After that, select your provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here. After that, click on swap here, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip patch from here, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip patch. Now after that, go and you will buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy OO token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.